अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। जगह विजिट कर हूँ ये आपको स्कूल विजय भारती पब्लिक स्कूल के पास आज स्पोर्ट्स का एनुअल डे है। सो उसके वास्ते आज आ चुका हूँ। इंशाल्लाह इनके पास आज क्या है स्पोर्ट्स का जो एनुअल डे में रहता पूरा हमारे वीडियो में दिखा एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। इंशाल्लाह बने रहो। अभी कुछ देर में एक हाफ एन आवर में स्टार्ट होने वाला है। आज बच्चों का स्पोर्ट्स का जो है यहाँ ग्राउंड में ओपनिंग है। यहाँ के पुष्पांजलि थिएटर के पास ऐसे ग्राउंड उसके साथ आऊँ आज सुबह में इसके कितना होता दिखा एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। आज हमारे साथ जैन भी, तुम्हारा नाम क्या? सैयद अब्दुल भी, जैन का देनो दो जने आज इनके साथ पार्टी करेंगे एनुअल डे के वास्ते। ओके तो स्टार्ट करेंगे इंशाल्लाह। बने रहो हमारे वीडियो में। हाय सर। सादिक पाशा भी नो आपको विजय भारती के क्या पीआरओ कहते हैं विनो।
आज हमने बहुत अच्छी तरह से विजय भारती का कल्चरल प्रोग्राम करके ही सभी पेरेंट्स बहुत अच्छा ये कर रहे हैं। और पूरा देखो जो पूरा बहुत 37 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस है हमारे एजुकेशन में। और डे बाई डे ईयर बाई ईयर हमारा स्कूल इम्प्रूव हो। ऑलमोस्ट 3000 बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं।
अच्छा
हमारे 4 स्कूल है, विजय भारती पब्लिक स्कूल, श्री भारती पब्लिक स्कूल, भारती पब्लिक स्कूल एंड भारती पीयू एंड डिग्री कॉलेज। वेलकम टू ऑल पेरेंट्स, बी हैप्पी, एंजॉय।
ओके बने रहो हमारे वीडियो में। थैंक यू सो मच सर। ओके थैंक यू। तो बने रहो सर।
8B Sayan Abdullah, Rehan Abdullah, please come to the dais.
Welcome to our sports day. We are very proud because they are doing a lot of arrangements here. And as a sports captain, and these are all captains, we feel very proud to be here and be a part of the sports day. Thank you.
School name tell.
School name Vijay Bharati Public School.
Yes. Your spell name?
Name myself Rohiniyar. I'm sports captain of the school.
Okay.
I'm cultural captain of the school.
Ah.
Vice commander of the school.
Okay.
Cultural captain of the school.
Ah.
School commander. Vice captain. Vice sports captain.
7 people members now.
Huh.
7.
Huh.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
We are the students of Vijay Bharati Public School, which is located in Kankanagar, and we all are celebrating a sports meet here. We welcome you, sir. She is the vice captain of my group.
Vice captain. Your name?
Arbind Zuha.
Your name?
Falak Nasti.
पूरे का नाम बोलो पूछो.
Ashfiya Taj.
Okay.
Ayman Khanam.
हाँ.
Patricia.
Shahin Par. Himanshi. Huria.
Okay.
V Nityashri.
Oh.
Shima. Azra.
Okay.
Asya.
Okay. Thank you.
Sarah Zubair.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank
all the
you,
best.
sir.
All the best.
Annual sports meet, a day filled with excitement, teamwork and sportsmanship. Students, teachers, parents and guests, join us as we kickstart the action-packed sports meet 2025 of Vijaya Bharati Public School. Champions are made in the spirit of sports. A warm welcome once again to one and all. We are thrilled to have you here to witness the sports meet of Vijaya Bharati Public School 2025-26. Your presence is boosting our stars. Cheer loud, cheer proud. Parents, you are the backbone of our school spirit. Thank you for being here. Let's make some noise for our amazing parents. They are the real MVPs, nothing but most valuable parents.
Good morning, one and all present here. The moment we all have been waiting for. The warm round of applause for our distinguished chief guest who have traveled all the way from Andhra Pradesh, and he had been a state level bodybuilder champion and a Mr. India gold medalist, gracing us with his presence. Very soon we are going to receive him. So let us wait for a moment. I request our beloved principal ma'am, Mrs. Shanaz Nazir, our manager sir Prabhakar, our Sri Bharati principal, Mr. Wasim Ahmed, along with our school pilot guards to receive our guest. Please welcome our honored chief guest. He is heading towards the dais. We could see that our principal ma'am, Shanaz Nazir ma'am, is receiving our chief guest along with our manager sir and Sri Bharati principal, Wasim Ahmed.
Pilot man, attention!
India of 10 Rima of 90. Let us welcome our chief guest with a big round of applause. Give them a big round of applause. See that our chief guest is arriving towards the dais. We welcome you, sir, Mr. Mani.
Slowly, girls.
Slow.
Our honorable chief guest is approaching to our schoolhouse captain along with our sports captain. Shreyas Godse to meet our schoolhouse captains.
Parade! Attention!
Our school sports captain Shreyas Godse is welcoming our chief guest Mr. Mani. He is going to introduce our house captains along with their groups. Now we have the introduction of the house captains along with their groups. Jogo's house captain Tanuvir Pujari, followed by Emerald house captain Ram Babu. Next we have our Ruby house captain Palak Nas. At last we have Safaya house captain Sayan Rihan.
Big round of applause to our captains, parents.
ಒಂದೆರಡು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ.
Attention everyone, let's give it up for our amazing student leaders, our school sports captain Shreyas Godse and Rohini R, vice sports captain Gautam Goda, Sapna Raikal, cultural captain Zeba Afreen, Manjunath BK, vice cultural captain Ume Kulsum, leading our school's discipline and unity, our school commander Manya, vice commander Udayan, finally our club secretary Shahida Tabassum, vice club secretary Sabir. We have a march past which is led by our school sports captain Shreyas Godse. As the march past begins, we have Topaz, which represents yellow, that is associated, followed by emerald, which represents green. It's the color of nature, growth and harmony. Followed by Ruby House Captain Panapnas. Ruby represents red, stands for courage and devotion, which is commonly associated with. Now we have Sapphire House. Sapphire represents blue, which symbolizes wisdom, loyalty, insight and faithfulness. The moment of truth, the sports meet oath. I ask the house captains to come forward. An oath-taking ceremony is a formal event where individuals pledge their commitment to uphold certain duties, responsibilities or principles. The purpose of oath-taking ceremony is to publicly solemnize the commitment to a role, ensuring loyalty and dedication to a role, organization or cause. It emphasizes the importance, marking a significant milestone. Our house captains, parents, kindly motivate them with a big round of applause.
Good morning, one and all present here. Myself Shreyas from class 10. We, the athletes of Vijaya Bharati Public School, swear that we will take part of our school annual athletics meet in royal competition, respecting the regulations which govern it. We will participate with a sportsperson spirit for the honor of our school and for the glory of sports. Thank you.
Thank you, captains. Thank you for one and all present here. Thank you for our beloved chief guest, our principal ma'am, our Sri Bharati principal sir, and Prabhakar sir.
Now, it's the time to light the Olympic flame. Position. Torch bearers, please take the position. our games: unity, perseverance, and the fire of competition. As the flame is passed, let us ignite the strength and sportsmanship in every athletic field today. Give them a round of applause. We have Sapna Raikal, boxer and weightlifter; Sirichana, wrestler and weightlifter; Saraswati, wrestler and weightlifter; Vachana, RK, wrestler and weightlifter; followed by Rushta Maria, wrestler; Amrit Kumar, wrestler and weightlifter; Syed Rihan, the next weightlifter; Pawan Kalyan, Muhammad Aman, Jenny, national level wrestler and boxer; Pawan Goda, wrestler; Muhammad Aman, wrestler; Anisha, boxer; Muhammad Ibrahim, wrestler and boxer. We have Aman Kumar, national level boxer and weightlifter; Tanuvai Pujari, wrestler and boxer; Afia Kulsum, national level boxer; Syed Sulain, national level boxer; Divya Shri, wrestler and weightlifter, followed by Dimple Servi, wrestler, boxer and weightlifter. Let's hear it for them, parents. With a huge round of applause. Cheer up them. These are our national, state and district level winners. Sports meet is here. Let's ignite the spirit of sportsmanship and celebrate excellence. Cheer, compete, conquer, and students and teachers, the guests, join us as we are declaring the sports meet of 2025-26 of Vijay Bharati Public School. We request our chief guest,
Sports
Mr.
Day
Mani-
declare 2026.
Our chief guest, Mr. Mani, is going to declare the sports meet.
Oh, मिलेगा अभी मिलेगा. Yes.
Sports captain Shreyas Godse and Rohini. Get ready for the march past. March past is a formal and synchronized parade performed during ceremonies, events, or competitions.
Attention! Parade! From your right, wait, march!
It showcases discipline, unity, and coordination. It is a significant feature. The march past forms a discipline. Participants in the march past are usually arranged in straight lines or other formations. Precision and essential to creating an impressive display of unity and discipline. And it is also collab in music and bands. It is frequently accompanied by a band which plays traditional military or ceremonial music to maintain rhythm and energy. The music enhances the formal atmosphere of the West. Those participants in the march past typically wear formal uniforms or attire that reflects the significance of the occasion. The neatness and uniformity of the participants' appearance add to the overall presentation. It also involves with pacing and timing, that done at a set pace, usually as the unity and collaboration between individual or clubs. A single instrument can create magic that an entire band produces and performs together. On the sport day, band creates an electric atmosphere, entertaining, music, lighting school community, and showcasing students' talent through disciplined, coordinated performances that blend musically. And they work mirroring the dedication. And also have a profound cultural and emotional significance. In military parades, they inspire patriotism and honor. In schools, they foster creativity and a sense of belonging. And the school march past is a specialized musical ensemble that combines the performance of music with synchronized marching during events. This group is a blend where students not only play their instruments but also march in unity, following specific patterns and commands. March past march is a school culture, discipline, teamwork, and school spirit. Enjoy the band display of our school parents.
Hands up! From the right, quick punch!
I request our manager, sir. I request our manager, sir, to felicitate our Sri Bharati principal, Wasim, sir. I request our manager, sir, Prabhakar, sir, to felicitate our principal, ma'am, of Vijay Bharati Public School. Now I request our Wasim, sir, to felicitate our manager, sir, Prabhakar, sir. Wasim, sir, felicitating Prabhakar, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We request our chief guest to give a small speech.
Let's hear it for our chief guest. Big round of applause, parents. He's traveled all the way from Andhra just to grace this ceremony.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for inviting me. This school is so special to me because I studied from LKG to 10th standard. Standing on the stage feels so proud. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. When I was studying, I was not put it in studies. I was very average student. Even though I push myself every day, then I choose sports and fitness. Then my journey was not so easy. I have many struggles. Even though I push myself every day, then believe in yourself. Never give up. Hard work definitely recognize you one day. Like me. Then once again, thank you to my school for this honor. Thank you so much. Special thanks to PT sir and Mr. Shana's mom for calling me. Thank you, ma'am.
Stay blessed, sir. Thank you so much. And now, the moment we all have been waiting for. Please welcome our respected principal, ma'am, to present the annual report. Ma'am, the stage is yours.
Very good morning, one and all present here. I heartily welcome you all to this annual Sports and Cultural Meet 2025-26. I am indeed honored to have this opportunity to present before you consistent upward graph of our school achievements. And I would like to thank each one of you for being a significant part of this glorious journey. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school which helps the young mind to blossom and provide a platform for individual thinking and holistic development of the child's personality. We set standards and goals for ourselves and strive to achieve them, be it in the area of academics, sports, discipline, leadership, and more. Let me start with academics. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads thinking. Thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. The year 2025-26 commenced on wonderful note when the result of our SSLC board examination came out. We are proud to announce that our students have achieved an outstanding 98% success rate in the SSLC board exams. In this year, we are aiming for the number one slot. Now we have adopted various measures to achieve our goal: extra coaching class for board examinees and regular weekly tests and special counseling sessions. We have also introduced NEET and CET for students from 6 to 9 standard and providing them with the competitive edge. To foster a strong foundation in languages, we conducted dedicated LSRW. You all know that. That is listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Periods for our students right from first standard to fourth standard. Through these periods, students participate in variety of interactive activities in English, Kannada, Hindi, other languages also. Storytelling, comprehension, debate, role play, and show and tell, reading competition, slogan writing, letter writing, word chain, vocabulary building, poetry recitation, etc. These activities are carefully designed to improve the four fundamental language skills, making learning fun and effective. To enhance language skills and numeracy, we have restricted our assembly periods into loud reading periods, three languages, and table learning sessions. Teachers provide individual attention, ensuring students grasp concept effectively. This initiative has led to improved punctuality, with parents encouraging their children to attend school regularly and participate in these engaging sessions. We are pleased to announce the introduction of abacus and karate classes this year, enhancing our students' skills in mental math and material arts. These new programs have been well received, promoted cognitive development and physical fitness among our students. At VBPS, we believe that the key to child's overall development lies in the partnership between the school and parents. In this regard, we ensure that parents are actively involved in the academic journey and curricular activities of the children. To foster this collaboration, we organize comprehensive parents orientation program. We are particularly grateful for the active participation of our supportive parents and friends of school parent, that means FOSP, who plays a vital role in enhancing our efforts to create a nurturing environment for our students. These contributions and engagement invaluable to our mission. We continue to guide our children on the right path. Role of teacher. I take this opportunity to express my heartfelt appreciation to our teachers, who are the backbone of our institution. This dedication, patience, and commitment have been truly inspiring. They have gone beyond textbooks to guide, motivate, and shape our students into responsible individuals. Our sincere thanks to our school manager and management, whose vision, guidance, and constant support enable us to provide quality education and nurturing environment. Their encouragement empowers us to aim higher year. Looking ahead, as we move forward, we remain committed. Enhancing academic standards, introducing innovative teaching methods, strengthening student skills and values, creating safe, joyful and inspiring learning environment. Our school talents vista saw enthusiastic participants from 1st to 5th standard students in various competitions like spell bee, poetry recitation, storytelling, math questions. Students showcase their creativity, confidence and skills. We have proactively engaged with parents by sending letters highlighting their child's irregularities, fostering a collaborative approach to student development. This initiative has encouraged parents to work closely with teachers, resulting in improved student attendance and participate in these engaging sessions. We celebrate Independence Day, Teachers' Day, Children's Day, Christmas, Diwali, Eid Milad, Guru Purnima, etc. Parents Born Fest Day teach students about our culture and heritage, develop values and patriotism, bond with friends and teachers to have fun and create memories. By monthly teachers training programs, our ongoing process focusing on enhancing teaching skills and teach integration. This initiative has boosted teacher confidence and student learning outcomes. This year, we organize exciting field trips for all classes, providing our students with hands-on learning experiences and unforgettable memories. Our students have showcased exceptional talent and dedication in various activities, and it includes inter-class group games, individual sports events, inter-school sports competitions, cluster, taluk, district, state and national level sports. We extend our gratitude to our PT masters for their tireless efforts in guiding and mentoring our students. We are incredibly proud of our students' outstanding achievements in sports and extracurricular activities, which demonstrate their teamwork, discipline, and perseverance. We are thrilled to see our students excel in various professions like doctors, engineers, lawyers, IT professions. They have not only excelled in their respective fields, but they have also achieved success in sports, especially Mr. Money, all our an alumnus who has won many medals in sports and also received the national gold medal. We wish him success in his future endeavors. We congratulate our students on their remarkable achievements and wish them continued success in their future endeavors. Finally, I would like to conclude by saying that the annual sports meet was a resounding success, showcasing the talent, dedication, and teamwork of our students. We thank our parents, staff, and students for their support and cooperation. We look forward the same enthusiasm and cooperation from our students, parents, and staff in the upcoming academic year. You dream about goals. We make them happen. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing with us the highlights of the academic year. Now,
Udayan, Akash, please come forward. Ibrahim, Sharan,
Ibrahim.
give them a big round of applause, parents. Udayan S, Aman,
Hey, Omen.
Sharan,
Yes.
Ayan Ali Khan, Uzair. District level girls, be ready. Sophia, Umra, Sapna Raikal, Tanu D. Pujari. A big round of applause for our wrestling champion girls who have bagged the second place. May I call upon the state level boys?
Sapna.
Gautam Gowda.
Yeah.
They are the wrestling champions
Look. Get the
who have bagged the state level. Ibrahim Khalilullah, E. Pavan Kalyan, Amrit Kumar, Syed Rihan, Muhammad Samnan,
So just
Muhammad
this side. Okay.
Muzaki.
Okay.
Muhammad Noman, Musa, Azan, Jatin. State level girls,
Okay. Rihan. See.
weightlifting boys champions, state level, Fahad, Nauman,
Fahad.
Andrew,
Fahad.
Aman,
Yeah. Okay.
Amrit, Pavan, Shahnawaz. State level boys boxing champions, Akash, Mohammad Ibrahim, Aman, who has bagged the first place in boxing championship, Jatin, Manish. National level boys, a big round of applause to them.
Yeah,
Aman,
stand.
who has bagged the first place in national level boxing champion, and Jatin. We have the chess champions, state level boys, Yash Pandey, Manish Tiwari. Now we have the weightlifting champions girls, Sapna Raikal, Srijana, Saraswati, Afia, Vanchara, Divya, Dimple. A big round of applause to our girls who truly deserve it. State level girls in boxing champion, Sapna, Afia, Sulen, Tanu, and Dimple. National level girls, we have Afia and Zulen.
Stand here.
We have the chess champions, state level girls, Inakshi, Madhva. Madhura, please come forward.
Thank you.
I congratulate all the winners and I request all the parents to kindly motivate them by giving them a big round of applause. Let's hear it for them, parents.
These are our national and state level champions of Vijay Bharati Public School. Can I hear a huge round of applause? Cheer up them, appreciate them. Distributing the prizes, I request all our dignitaries to come down and have a seat. Let us continue our cultural program.
क्या नाम तुम्हारा? व्हाट इज द नेम? योर नेम? जल्दी बोलो, जल्दी। ये देखो मैं वीडियो भी बना रहा हूँ, जल्दी बोलो। देखो वीडियो भी बना रहा हूँ तुम्हारे वास्ते। विजय भारती पब्लिक स्कूल में आज क्या कौन ही यहाँ तुम्हारे? दीदी, भैया, ब्रदर, सिस्टर, कौन ही यहाँ? बोलते नहीं है, खाली चॉकलेट खरीद की। ओके बाय। देख सकते हैं आज विजय भारती पब्लिक स्कूल में आज स्पोर्ट्स एंड कल्चरल सेलिब्रेशन चल रहा है। अच्छी है, देखो कैसा।
Next section of the event. To begin with, we have a welcome dance by Darshini of 5th A. The cosmic dance begins. Darshini is here to mesmerize you with a powerful Shiva Tandav. Lord Shiva's fierce energy takes the stage. Tandav, the dance of destruction and creation. Darshini bringing a grandeur of life with a captivating performance, pure devotion and energy. Give it up for 5th A's Darshini's Shiva Tandav. Let's give a big round of applause for our tiny tots.
विजय भारती में कॉपीराइट दिया था। मैं कितना होगा दिखाओ, एक्सप्लोर करता हूं। ओके ओके, बने रहो हमारे वीडियो में। ऐसा बताओ ये छापो विजय भारती पब्लिक स्कूल में आज चिल्ड्रंस का स्पोर्ट्स सेलिब्रेशन है। सब पूरे यहाँ आज गेस्टों को आको भी हैं। अब जो स्टार्ट होने वाला है नर्सरी का छोटे बच्चे कैसी है, सीरियस बोल रहे हो, इतने प्यारे हैं गर्ल्स।
Nursery kids who are going to do the beautiful dance performance. Are you all ready?
कितने प्यारे हैं
I didn't hear. Are you all ready, parents? The cultural program has started.
यहाँ कोई सभी
The one which we were waiting for.
पूरे नर्सरी के देखो कितने अच्छे प्यारे बच्चे। सीरियस बोल रहे हो, नर्सरी के आज क्या डांस रखेंगे मालूम नहीं, कौन सी म्यूजिक रखेंगे। कितने प्यारे हैं ये रोरी देखो। स्टार्ट होने वाला है इनका। वो देखिए कौन सा डांस, कैसा म्यूजिक है। अच्छी अलग रोरी में आप इनकी अम्मी, इनकी कावेरी कहते हैं उनका नाम। वो अम्मी क्या करने दिखता कावेरी, क्या मम्मी चाहिए? मम्मी चाहिए कहते कावेरी राइट।
Let's ready parents. Big round of applause for the tiny tots. They truly deserve a big round of applause, parents. Please give them a big round of applause. That was an amazing performance with a beautiful attire. You should give them a big round of applause because they are tolerating with all the costume there. They have been so patiently sitting there for the show to go on. Big rounds of applause, parents. I can't hear you all. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. Not heard. Energy when?
फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड के दिखता भी है।
Not surprised seeing me here. Then I'll go back. So how is the good morning supposed to be? Still more good morning. Is it gonna be night now? Are you all tired so soon? No? Okay, so you all know that we have come out of our school premises here to celebrate this sports and cultural meet, right? No? Yes? Then why there is no energy seeing in you people? Okay, then we'll do one thing. We'll finish this program as soon as possible so that you can have your brunch after going home. Is it okay? Yes?
So, as I was telling that we have come out of a school and celebrating this event over here, so it shouldn't be very plain or very dull kind of a program. I expect you all to encourage your kids, your students, your kids, friends, everyone. So, before we start with the next performance, I wanted to give a big round of applause. So, how does that sound? Very big. Too big. Fantastic big. That's all. I'll be checking on you in after a few seconds. I'll come back, okay? You can carry on.
Let's put our hands together for our tiny tots from LKG A who are going to dance on a remix. Let's cheer them on over to our little stars. Like she said, I want all the parents to motivate them, keep on motivating them until we close up. Thank you so much, parents.
I'm so happy. My hand touched the ground. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Shake.
Go to the music, to the beat, please.
Everybody and sing with me.
Thank you. Kindly lift your hands, parents. Come on.
Let's get disco fame. Our tiny tots of LKGB section are taking the stage now. The LKGB section are bringing the fusion fire with Chamak Cello. It's the time to disco.
I guess parents would be happy now. We are going with the Bollywood beats now. Thank you so much.
ओ अब भाई को चम्मच छिल्लू का कहते भाई कॉपीराइट दिया था मेरा वीडियो मैं पूरा प्रिंसिपल मैम कुछ वीडियो भेज डाल तुम भी आज तो नहीं डाल सकता कॉपीराइट दिया था कॉपीराइट नहीं था इंशाल्लाह वीडियो अपलोड करते इंशाल्लाह ये आप विजय भारती पब्लिक स्कूल में स्पोर्ट्स का एनुअल कैलिब्रेशन बनी कितने साल का है एक्चुअली हाउ मेनी इयर्स कैलिब्रेशन कितने साल का ये मालूम नहीं पूछ के वो बोल देंगे मैम मैम लोग पूछ के बोल देंगे 33 इयर्स 33 इयर्स का 33 इयर्स है कहते हैं BA स्पोर्ट्स का इंशाल्लाह ओके ओके थैंक यू सो मच अब 33 34 ईयर का कहते हैं कैलिब्रेशन चल रहा है सर ओके इंशाल्लाह बने ऑलरेडी आ गया था मैं
Announcement to make. The parents who are standing in this corner, please don't be standing there. Why? Because that is the place where kids move out. And if you're standing, you could see the teachers are standing there to take care of them, and you are just insisting, telling like move away, which is not gonna happen. So I request the parents to come this side. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿರೋ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶೋ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಜರ್ಗಿ ಅನ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಜರಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ಕಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ please don't stand because if you stand again by seeing you other parents will be coming behind you so it's for the safer side please be seated in your same place where you are now so how was the performance
होगा अभी ये
I
आप
know what was
जबरदस्त
interacting this time.
नेक्स्ट को जाएंगे अब नेक्स्ट का है कि एक्सप्लोर
This
करेंगे
time?
ऐसा बने रहो नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग्स का आता
No, my question was not about the claps. I asked why no parents are entertaining, like they are not responding. The Jewish which you had previously, which I saw in the Independence Day, it's not there now. Because year end, along with your kids, even you became tired, making them study. Yes? No? Are you storing your energy for the next academic year then? See? No response. Allah sleeping? Shall I send Allah?
It seems they did not have their breakfast.
I already said, ma'am.
Okay.
You know, near the school they could smell the biryani smell. Here it isn't. Yeah.
Is that right? What she said?
No? Then what is the answer? Why are
We
you
want your interaction, parents. Please give the answer. Yes or no? At least yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Very good.
Hardly I could see is 3 or 4 hands over 300 parents here. So only the 5 parents are happy, rest are not happy. Then why am I not seeing the energy? If you are not energetic and enthusiastic, how do you expect from your kids? If our kids dance sober, will you be okay? No? And you go home and tell, this is what I taught you to dance on the stage. No? Where is the smile? Where is the movements? This is what your teacher taught you in the school. No? Not to do this, not to do that. I bought you new dresses, I bought you everything. Starting.
Oh, that गाना
Here we have the boys of UKG.
DDL का song से
They are going to
celebrate
rock
वो
the
सब में वो हमारे
stage.
उड़े बके
Let us welcome
दिखा डाल दो
At least now, parents. At least now. Come on. This side. Yeah, come on.
ओ मेरा फेवरेट गाना भी है सलमान खान का
फिर भी निकल पड़ा ऊपर से शायद जिसकी तलाश है वही साथी है वही मंजिल है
रोज आए आज जिंदगी में आना सनम आ गया साथ समुंदर पार में पीछे पीछे आ गया तेरे पीछे पीछे आ गया ओ
They are twirling to the sassy remix. Please give them a big round of applause, parents. Too much of hard work, dedication.
With such a big applause, I also accept the same thing henceforth for the upcoming classes and the performance.
Princesses of UKG. Give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much, parents, for cooperating. Now we move on to the next session. We have the prize distribution from nursery to UKG B for their achievements in the sports activity, followed by the prize distribution for the parents whom we had asked to do an activity based on fireless cooking for fathers, and mothers had to make use of best out of the waste materials, nothing but to show their creativity in art and craft. So a big round of applause for the little toddlers and the parents who will be highly appreciated now. Thank you. Distribute the prizes for the parents. I request Mustaq sir, Tanveer, Vijay Kumar and Bilal Rizvi to be ready here to receive the prizes. The other father here. So fathers, big round of applause. Mustaq, father of Amir, in the fireless cooking. A big round of applause. It's the cooking by the father. In the school competition, fathers basically don't do this. Am I right? It's only mothers who hang out in the kitchens all the time. So it's fathers who have really bagged the prize for this. Hats off to them. Thank you. Jay Kumar, father of Divisha. Next we have Bilal Rizvi, father of Aiza Rizvi. Bilal Rizvi, father of Aiza Rizvi. Please come.
prize, Muhammad Shahid, father of Muhammad Sulaim. Next, I would like to call LKG B section, Muhammad Faisal, father of Hasnain. Please be ready. Muhammad Faisal, father of Hasnain, LKG B section. Be ready. Followed by Rakesh, father of Ishan Prajapati. Syed Nadeem Basha, Syed Hurain.
Your fathers and mothers, everybody, please encourage them. Give them a big round of applause. This is not only for the students, parents, it's for you as well. Thank you.
UKG A section, Rakesh, father of Ishan Prajapati. Syed Nadeem Basha, father of Sayyeda Hurain from UKG A section. I would like to call Muhammad Fairoz, father of Muhammad Zaid from UKG B section. Please be ready. Muhammad Usman Harun, father of Jange Muhammad Izan. Muhammad Jafar, father of Muhammad Azhar Sheikh. Kalimullah Sharif, father of Yusuf Father Sharif.
क्या बोलते हो पूरे हमारा देने से अभी बच्चों के वहाँ से खासकर स्पेशल पेरेंट के वहाँ से बुला को माँ बाप के साथ ये क्या है सेलिब्रेट करने स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में इसके बारे में आपको आज ये देने से
Jange Muhammad Usman Harun, father of Jange Muhammad Izan.
एक्चुअली पूरी फैमिली को अवार्ड से नवाजा जा रही सभी बच्चे के माँ बाप पेरेंट को होगा विजय भारती पब्लिक स्कूल मैम है प्रिंसिपल मैम भी स्पोर्ट्स का नंबर 1 उन्होंने स्पोर्ट्स आज विजिट करे थे सो उनके पास भी दो बात करेंगे
We have Kalimullah Sharif receiving the third prize, father of Yusuf Father Sharif.
I need not have to ask to clap them on and on, parents. You all know you need to encourage our parents.
Thank you.
Super
Thank
parents
you once
there.
again. Let us continue with the art and craft from nursery. First prize. This is the competition from the mother's side for the art and craft. From the nursery, we have first prize Anjum Ara, the mother of Minha Khan.
All the mothers, please.
Second prize shared by Arshia. Third, Sakina and Asma, mother of Amir and Aiza Siddiqa.
Mothers this side.
क्या थी डालने ना लिसन को
Nursery parents, Arshia, Sakina and Asma, please come on the stage.
ये देखो पूरे इनके पेरेंट आ नहीं सके अब आवाज आ रही है सब
From LKGA, we have Noorunisa, mother of Aminur Rahman, Yasin Begum, Almas Begum, Arfat Parveen, Seema Tabassum.
Give them a big round of applause, parents. Please, parents. Please, please, please. This side as well. Can't hear at all. Thank you.
We have Nurunisa, mother of Aminur Rahman, receives the first prize, and Yasmin Begum also takes the first prize. Mother of Sayyeda Taskiya Fatima.
तो गाइस क्या बताओ मंजे भी शोल्डर में
Asia
दर्द
Monica,
होगा, हाथ में दर्द
mother
होगा,
of
guys.
Shinai Christina.
Vijaya Bharati Public School proudly felicitates all the hard-working fathers and mothers. We are truly glad for showcasing your talent. Thank you so much. Thank you.
सीरियस गाइस मैं बोल रही हूँ सुबह का आया साहब को बाबा रंगा से
Vijaya Bharati Public School is a platform not only for the
Yasmin
students.
Begum, mother of Sayyida Taskiya Fatima, receives the first prize.
ये क्लास थी ओह
It is also a platform for the parents to showcase their talent. So you should highly appreciate the management.
Almas Begum, mother of Rahmanullah.
The final time. Big round of applause for all the parents here who are receiving the awards.
We have Kesia Monica, mother of Shiny Christina.
If you are tired, it's only for the one day. Parents, I think you can do this.
We have the special prize. In the art and craft, this mother has done an experiment and showed us. So this prize goes to Zaharun Nisa and mother of Zunaira Maryam.
A special prize.
वो भी
Special.
स्पेशल प्राइस करते भी और जी बोले हम
Big round of applause, parents. Come on. Dylan, we
Done
need to
the
encourage
experiment
our
with the best out of ways, and she also has explained us.
एक्चुअली ना फर्स्ट प्राइज जाएगा भी बच्चों को
Congratulations to all the winners.
Let us continue with the LKG B section. First prize goes to Nusrat Jahan, mother of Muhammad Ayan.
आया इनके पेरेंट
Second prize received by Aisha Siddiqa, mother of Ayat Khanum. Third prize received by Asha Lata, mother of Madappa.
सो सुनो हाँ डन
Asha Lata, mother of Madappa. And near the stage, it will be easy for us. Tasmiya Banu, mother of Ayat Banu. Salma Taj, mother of Alaina Fatima. Sayyeda Bibi Fatima, mother of Hamza Khadri. Nirmala, mother of Ishan Prajapati, Soumya, mother of Tasvika, Shobha M, mother of Parinika. Please be near the stage.
Big round of applause.
Nirmala, mother of Ishan Prajapati. Soumya, mother of Tasvika, please come on the stage. Let us continue with UKGB section. Zahra Khatun, mother of Muhammad Umar. Please come on the stage. Sanu Raikal, mother of Hardik Raikal. Meena Raikal, mother of Bhuvan Raikal. We have Zahra Khatun, mother of Muhammad Umar, receiving the first prize. I request for whomever I have called out the names, please come near the stage. Receiving the second prize.
It is not to make the things creatively with the waste materials which are kept.
We have Nazia Tarannum, mother of General Muhammad Izan.
We highly appreciate the mothers and the fathers here.
Followed by Ruksar Banu, mother of Sheikh Ayat.
We have so many talented parents. Truly impressive, highly motivating, and I'm also planning to do something like this. Even I'll go home, start looking for the waste material, create something. Thank you so much, mothers.
The third prize.
Parents, a big round of applause. Big round of applause. A little more.
Thank you, parents.
Thank you.
For participating and receiving the parents' prizes, and also all those parents who participated. So can we have a big and huge round of applause for all the parents who participated and went also. Let us continue with the nursery block. For the balancing the balloon, from the girls we have
Cheer up for the kids, the tiny toddlers.
Minha Fatima for the first prize, balancing the balloon.
Wow.
Divisha Yadav, second prize, and Nakshatra for the third prize. Yadav receiving the second prize for balancing the balloon. Second prize. First prize child is absent. Third prize by Nakshatra. From the boys, balancing the balloon, Nikshay P, Izan Pasha and Amir. Divisha Yadav and Nakshatra receiving the second and third prize. Nikshay receives the first prize. Izan Pasha receiving the second prize and Amir KM receiving the third prize. Followed by LKGA section, pick up the balloon, pick up the ball and drop. From the girls side, we have Alakia B, Sayyida Taskia Fatima and Hania Fatima.
Let's hear it for them, parents. Please give them a big round of applause. These little toddlers have achieved so much. Look at their excitement, their happiness.
From LKGA, we have Alakia B receiving the first prize. Sayyida Taskia Fatima and Zunaira Mariam receiving the second prize and Hania Fatima receiving the third prize. Hania is absent. From the boys, we have Muhammad Azan Beg. Come here. Muhammad Ayan Ahmad. Muhammad Talha.
भेजो से कहते देख सुनो कहाँ गया मैं
Assalamu alaikum, parents. प्लीज थालियां हो जाए. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सब.
From the LKGB section, pick up the ball and drop. We have girls, Priyanshi for receiving the first prize, Aisha Khan receiving the second prize and Sheikh Aksa receiving the third prize.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನೀವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆವಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
From the LKGB section, we have Abdur Rahman receiving first prize, Amir Ali Khan gets the second prize and Muhammad Arhan gets the third prize for pick up the ball and drop.
जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. जोरदार. शाबाश.
From the UKGA, rabbit and carrot race. UKGA, girls side, we have Tasvika BN receiving the first prize. Alina Fatima gets the second prize. Parinita gets the third prize and shared by Tarunya.
ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೊಂಥರ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇಗೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಬರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಕ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. We signify that by clapping our hands, isn't it? The same way when they stand there, you have to make them feel special because they have ultimately won. उन्होंने जीता है, मेहनत किया है. प्लीज उनके लिए क्लैप कीजिएगा. आज थोड़ी तकलीफ होगी, नो प्रॉब्लम, लेकिन आपको उन्हें मोटिवेट करना ही चाहिए. प्लीज कीजिएगा. इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सब.
From the UKGA Rabbit and Carrot Race, from the boys' side, Zahan Khan, first prize, Ishan Prajapati, second prize, and Muhammad Arsalan gets the third prize.
मैम उधर पकड़ो पहले.
Rabbit and Carrot Race from the UKGB section. For the girls, we have Umme Anam, Sabira Sheikh, second prize, and Jenny Sarah, third prize. Boys, we have Yusuf Khader Sharif, first prize, Muhammad Umar, second prize, and Bhuvan Raikal, third prize. Let us continue our cultural program.
Let's see what they have got in store. Give them a big round of applause from Great Birthday. They have a space dance.
To the tropical island mashup. They are bringing a sizzle with the tropical fusion dance. Get ready to feel the island vibes with your own performance.
You should give them a big round of applause because they are in a different costume and they are so patiently waiting for their turn. Isn't it, parents? Those little toddlers there. I request all the parents to get back their place because we are going to share the videos with you. We are going to share the pictures and videos. I request all the parents to get back to their seat as the other parents are not able to watch it. It's a request. Parents who are standing there, kindly take your seat.
एक्चुअली क्या बोलते हो, मोबाइल मेरा ऑफ होगा था, इसके साथ कंटिन्यू करती हूँ गाइस. बना रहो हमारे वीडियो में इंशाल्लाह. ओके, वाह, चार्ज करके फिर आ रहा हूँ. सो गाइस ऑफ होगा था, सो फिर कंटिन्यू कर दूँ. देखो ये पूरा है. हाँ, विजय भारती का एनुअल डे, स्पोर्ट्स एनुअल डे चल रहा है. अभी आको हूँ, फिर भी क्या डांस क्या है तब पूरा हमारे वीडियो में दिखा को एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. ओके, बने रहो, ऑफ होगा. हाँ, अब आको हूँ.
I request them to be ready by forming a line over here.
I request the parents to make the arrangements. Let the students be ready.
ಆಫ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಫೋನ್.
I request
ಮತ್ತೆ
our
ರಿಚಾರ್ಜ್
manager
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ.
sir and our principal ma'am to distribute the prizes.
I ask our manager sir Prabhakar sir to come on the stage to distribute the prize. So I'll be calling out the students from first and eighth section who taken part in the footprint race.
ಸಿಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್
So
ಸಿಕ್ಕಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ
here
ನೋಡಿ.
we have Faiza Mohammadi,
ಸಿಕ್ಕಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕರ್ ಇದೆ
followed
ಮೊಬೈಲ್
by Asfiya
ಇಸ್ಕೋಬಹುದು.
and Miyomi. Now I call upon CK sir to come on the stage. CK sir, please come on the stage. I also request in the first place we have Faiza Mohammadi, who's taken first place in footprint race. Second we have Asfia, and third we have Naomi, followed by first A boys.
सेंटर में आ
Satish
जाओ.
sir, please come on the stage. Stage. From first A boys we have Abdul Rab and Muhammad Danish and Prince Servi. Who's absent, and Danish absent. In the third place we have Prince Servi. Please give him a big round of applause, parents. We are in the end of the session. Already half of the program is done and still no energy.
Hey.
Next I call upon first P girls, Anabia Khanam, Alfia Zara. Second place Alfia and third Aliza. Followed by first P boys. We have Muhammad Arham Sharif, Syed Afan, Syed Ubaid Manzoor, we have Anabia, Alfia and Aliza on the dais who secured first, second, third place in the food race. Now we have Muhammad Arham Sharif in the first place, Syed Afan in the second place, Syed Ubaid Mansoor in the third place. Next from the first C, I call upon Zainab Ali, Fatima Zainab, Ansu, followed by first C boys Muhammad Abbas Khan, Muhammad Maz. Race winners are absent. Next, first C boys Muhammad Abbas Khan in the first place. Second place winner is not present. We move upon third place Krishi. Third place Krishi. Now I move on with second standard A section girls. Afifa Kausar, Umme Uruj, Asfiya Zaib. Umme Uruj in the second place and Asfiya Zaib in the third place, who's taken part in ball balancing on paper cup. Now I move on with second A boys, Sufyan, Gautam, Syed Muzahir, along with Muhammad Devi. Second day boys is taken part in ball balancing on paper cup. Here we have Sufyan. Second place Gautam. In the third place we have two participants, one is Syed Muzahir and Muhammad Avi.
Ma'am.
Next.
Oh, hey, come. Speak.
Next I move on with second B class. I call upon Zayada Zara, Krishika, Laiba Fatima and Sayada Aksa. Thank you, students. In the first place, Ravi in the second place, and lecture in the third place. Followed by we have second C girls. We have Ikra Fatima, Roshni Parveen, Sayada Afifa, and from second C boys we have Yusuf, Pawan Kumar, and Numan, Mohammed Numan, and Mohammed Aman.
Madam, madam.
We have Ikra in the first place, Roshni second, and Sayada Afifa in the third place. From second C, we have first place Yusuf, second place Pawan Kumar, third place Mohammed Aman, and we have one consolation from second C, that is Roman Pasha. Now I won in third A class. I call upon third A boy Zayed Asneem, Danush, Muhammad Abbas, followed by third A girls Aiza Mariam, Niharika, and Shazin Khan. Here we have Syed Asneem, who's taken first place. These kids have taken part in math race. We have first and second place winner, followed by third A boys. Syed Asneem first place, Danush D second place, Muhammad Abbas third place, followed by third B. I call upon Shanaya, Rishika, Rumaiza Fatima, followed by Muhammad Adnan, third B Muhammad Adnan, Muhammad Sufian from third B, Syed Amdan, Here we have Shanaya, who's taken first place, Rishika second place, and Rumaiza Fatima in the third place. Syed Amdan, come on the stage. I asked third standard B section, Syed Amnan, to come on the stage. From third B, we have Muhammad Adnan in the first place, Sufyan in the second place,
Sayyid Ibrahim Blocks.
Amdan in the third place,
9243.
taken part in matrix. Next time, follow up by third C girls, Umayma Sharif,
5111. 555.
Umayma
111.
Sharif.
111. Ah, yes.
Can you send the video?
Okay.
Umayma, first place, Sheikh, Ayman Saida, Anam Khana, and Bibi Fatima in the third place. Bibi Fatima in the third place. We have Bibi Fatima here in the third place from third C section. From third C, we have Muhammad Amez, Syed Mubarak Rakib, and Salman Aligarh. We have Amez in the first place, Mubarak Rakib in the second place, and Salman in the third place. Followed by third D, I call upon Kubra Taskin, Zaiba Tariq Abasi, and Ainul Mahira. Followed by third D, Syed Ayan,
Syed Ahil, Muhammad Arhan Khan. Here we have Kubra in the first place, Zainab in the second place, and Ainul in the third place. I call upon third T Syed Ayan on the stage. Syed Ayan. Praise. Next I go on with fourth A. Now I call upon Malika from 4th B in the first place, Tuba Taskin in the second place, Alia Asmat in the third place, followed by the boys Mohammad Anis Khan in the first place, Mithun S. Gowda in the second place, Muhammad Azib in the third place, along with him we have Manish PC.
फिलहाल फिर भी बच्चों का डांस शुरुआत हो रहा है, इंशाल्लाह बने रहो। एक्सप्लेन करेंगे तो हाफ अलग मोबाइल अलग हाफ होगा, फुल धूप देख सकते हैं, धूप में बना रहे हो हाफ हजार हीट के वजह से कहता होता दिखाओ एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। विजय भारती पब्लिक स्कूल का चार्ज स्पोर्ट्स एनुअल डे था, उसके से आपको इंशाल्लाह बने रहो हमारे वीडियो।
Anybody else here? बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मैम। Anybody else? इंग्लिश में बोलना जरूरी नहीं है, हमें बस आपका ओपिनियन जानना है। Anybody बातचीत हमारे लिए बहुत है। Yeah, बस। Anybody who really wants to say something, ma'am?
I request these parents who are standing here to take the video, please get back. We will send the video.
Always, like always, we get a surprise every year. This year is fantastic, super. I don't have words to tell.
Thank you for your lovely words. Thank you. Parents, kindly be seated in your place. Others are not able to see. Kindly sit down. Please, it's a request. Other parents are not able to watch. Or else we'll stop the dance. Let's hear it for it. I'm getting my goosebumps.
हाफ होगा ये भी।
Put your hands together, parents. Put your hands together. Don't stop. Don't stop. Put your hands together. Come on. Come on, parents. Gives them the energy, parents, that motivates them.
I feel very happy. You know, your presence is God and your clap is energy for them. Thank you for the amazing students of 4th for an unforgettable show. Thank you, students. Let's continue with the 4th C.
ओ अभी है हाफ होगा। नेक्स्ट
Here
आपको
we have the
अम्ब्रेला
umbrella
डांस
dance from the 4th C.
4th सी अम्ब्रेला डांस भी अब नेक्स्ट देखिए आ रही है, ये अम्ब्रेला डांस अब नेक्स्ट 4th सी स्टैंडर्ड के है। क्या तो कॉपीराइट आएगा डाल तो इंशाल्लाह हमारे वीडियो में कहता दिखा आपको एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। ओके
And they are complaining continuously that they are not able to see the show. I request all the parents to get back to their seat as we are going to share the videos and pictures of your children.
Yeah.
It's a request.
Sayyid Ibrahim Blocks.
Ready to put on your hands up and go. Walk up, drill. The energetic students are here to bring the house down with performance. You are complaining. Kindly be seated. Humble to humble request. Parents are not able to watch from behind. Jeevat and Ravi.
क्या बना लोगो था बच्चे मेरे स्कूल के सब्सक्राइबर का थे क्या थी बोलो बात करेंगे तुझे बना लोगो सब्सक्राइबर का थे मेरे बच्चे पूरे विजय भारती पब्लिक स्कूल क्या नाम तुम्हारा
आफिया
आफिया अब मेरा स्पोर्ट्स का कैसा लगे तुमने यहाँ लगे खेलना
अच्छा अच्छा
है
अच्छा
अच्छा है विजय भारती पब्लिक स्कूल में स्पोर्ट्स का एक से कैलकुलेशन बनाए थे तो एक स्पोर्ट का ये बनाए थे माशाल्लाह जबरदस्त था पूरा म्यूजिक गाने रहे क्या भी अवार्ड से भी अच्छा मिला हमारा साना का कितनी क्लास पढ़ रही
फोर्थ
स्टैंडर्ड का तो सी में बी में कौन से सेक्शन सी सेक्शन में पढ़ रहे थे क्या नाम तुम्हारा
आफिया
आफिया तुम्हारा
इनाया
तुम्हारा
मिरहायत
मेरा इन पूरे हमारे वीडियो बात करते हैं तभी बहुत शुक्रिया इनको सबको मेरे तरफ से और अच्छे पढ़ने अल्लाह से गुजारिश करूँ यहाँ विजय भारती पब्लिक स्कूल में थैंक यू शुक्रिया एक्चुअली क्या बोले तो यहाँ कौन एक सब्सक्राइबर मेरे बच्चे हैं कंटिन्यू करते हैं वीडियो ऐसा बने रहो हमारे वीडियो में ओके स्टार्ट भी होगा एक्चुअली हेलो
Thanks to the talented boys of 5th C and D for an amazing performance. The vibrant flag drill performance by class 6A is here. Flags waving high, colors blending, energy soaring. Watch as they twirl and whirl with colorful flags.
ऐसा बने रहो बच्चा का नेक्स्ट 6th स्टैंडर्ड की 7th स्टैंडर्ड की रहेगा अब इनका चल रहा है एक्सप्लोर करेंगे ऐसा बने रहो हमारे वीडियो में ओके हाँ तुम्हें जरा इधर आ जाती
Beautiful coordination, beautiful synchronization. That was colorful thanks to the talented performers.
नेक्स्ट डंबल्स का देखो अब डंबल्स का शुरुआत होने वाला है कैसा क्या कितने स्टैंडर्ड है किस स्टैंडर्ड है 6th स्टैंडर्ड
Behind the students to give them training. From the karate kids, kata display on the music. Amna versus Ayman. The girls with the karate are ready to defend anyone. Wow, what a punch, what a kick. Can we have a big round of applause for these karate kids? Yeah, this time we have introduced our karate for our school students. They have learned in our school. Here they are. The Venga Boys performance. Here they are. Let's hear it for 7th A. What a energy! What a moves! That was amazing.
अभी कितने अच्छी आनंद मंजे हमरा लेने लगा इन धूप में बच्ची के क्या नाम आपका आनंद करते देखो अभी हमरा मेरा वैसे धूप में वीडियो बना ले लगा ओके बाय
His rhythm is off the charts.
Beautiful display. Beautiful display.
Wow!
Tanu, Alina, Dimple, Patricia, Reema, stand according to the names I'm calling. Ikra, Shahin, Azra, Azika, Lavanya, and Sara. These are the winner of throw ball. Next, I call upon Kabaddi winners and runners. Now I call upon Kabaddi runner-ups at Zulain, Safa Kausar, Madiha, Laiba, Sapna, Vachana, Taskin, Sophia, Saida Ayman Fatima, Amna Marriage, Shima, and Nitya. Come according to the names I have called. Zulain. Stand according to the names. Zulain, Safa Kausar, Madiha, Laiba, Sapna, Vachna, Taskin, Sophia Anam, Saida Ayman Fatima, Amna, Shima, Nitya.
Okay, done.
Tricia, Lubna, Rida, Tanu, Zaiba Afshin, Alia Firdos, Dimple Selvi. Stand according to your name. Afrin Khan, Azla. Please come on the stage, stand here. Nair, Shahin, Reema, Patricia, Lubna, Rida, Tanu, Zaiba Afshin, Alia Firdos, Dimple.
One, two, three. Okay.
Azra. Azra, stand next to ma'am. Next, Nair, Shahin, Reema, Patricia, Lubna, Rida, Tanu, Zaiba Afshin, Alia Firdos, and Dimple. Faizan from 7th B. I request you to go near the gate as your parents are coming to pick you up. Syed of 7th B, go. Faizan of 7th B, go near the gate. Absent. Okay, from 10B we have Hemant, Vinay, Mohammad Afnan, Rihan Ahmed, Ayan Afnan, Rihan, Ayan Pasha, Farid.
Hello.
Next I move on with volleyball winners.
ಹೇಳಿ.
Ayan Pasha,
ಹಾ ಹಾ ಆಯ್ತಾ.
Rihan,
ಹೌದೌದು ಓಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
Michael Shah, Vinay, Hemant, Syed Rehan, Manish Gowda, Tarun, Gautam Gowda.
ए राम बाबू किधर है? राम बाबू, फेमस राम बाबू चला गया।
Ayan Pasha, come forward. Rihan Ahmed. Rihan, Michael Shah, come according to the names I call. Vinay, Hemant, Syed Rehan, Manish, Tarun, Gautam. Followed by volleyball runner-up, Andrew Christopher, Mohammad Arman, Jateen, Farhan, Hidayat, Mohammad Ayan, Ram Babu, Udiyan, Zainul Labidin.
रेडी?
Again, Andrew Christopher, Mohammad Arman, Jateen, Farhan, Mohammad Ayan, Rambabu, Udiyan, Zainal Abidin. As their absence, we have only you're the captain who leads the team, Hidayat Khan and Ash Pandey. Is Ash there?
हाँ
Hello everybody, this is Vijay Bharati Public School staff. The entire staff is here, Bharati Public School staff, and today we all had sports and cultural events of Vijay Bharati Public School. You could see the team spirit and discipline of our teachers and standard and students. So hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Thank you all.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम.
Vijay Bharati Public School. Thankful to everybody. On behalf of Vijay Bharati Public School, thank you everybody to success this sports day and cultural event. Thank you.
ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ನೀವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
Thank you so much.
ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ
Everybody.
ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್
Hip 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 hip.
ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ
ನಿಮಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि बरकत जगह विजिट कराया था. आप देख सकते हैं आटी नगर ब्रांच में या ग्राउंड में विजय भारती पब्लिक स्कूल के से आज स्पोर्ट्स का एक ऐसे ये फंक्शन रहे थे. एक्चुअली कितना होता दिखा को एक्सपर्ट को क्यों तो पूरा इनके पास बच्चा का को डांस सभी म्यूजिक डांस क्या क्या पूरा हर था स्पोर्ट्स का खास कर रखे थे ये प्रोग्राम में. कितना होता दिखा को एक्सपर्ट को इंशाल्लाह देख सकते हैं पीछे ये विजय भारती पब्लिक स्पोर्ट्स का जगह में आको था. हाय करिए था कभी मैं वीडियो बनाता था. हाय एक्चुअली ये वीडियो बना लगा था लास्ट 10 करेंगे बोल था. कितना होता दिखा के एक्सप्लोर कर को और मेरे तरफ से प्रिंसिपल मैम को मुझे इन्वाइट करे थे यहाँ आओ बोल को. उसके साथ कितना होता दिखा को एक्सप्लोर कर को इंशाल्लाह विजय भारती पब्लिक स्कूल फेमस है आटी नगर ब्रांच का अच्छे इंशाल्लाह मेरे बेटे SLC. हाँ बोलो.
हमारे अंकल चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाइक करो शेयर करो.
पहला तुम्हारा स्कूल
मेरा स्कूल विजय भारती पब्लिक स्कूल.
विजय भारती पब्लिक स्कूल के देखेगा अभी मेरे फैन फॉलोवर आ गए थे अभी. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू. ओके
Thank you.
विजय भारती के से ओके
ओके
विजय भारती का दिखा डाला ओके. हाँ थैंक यू.
थैंक यू थैंक यू
थैंक यू. इन्होंने बाय कर होते दूर से कान फला थे मेरे बच्चे स्कूल के। चलो अब देखो ये पूरा बच्चा आया सो ये स्कूल में दिखा था हमें विजय भारती पब्लिक स्कूल आरटी नगर ब्रांच के वास्ते आया था। कितना होता दिखा को एक्सप्लोर करो। अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद है तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करो हमारे चैनल को। नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में मिलेंगे। अल्लाह हाफिज, गुड नाइट।